skeleton again. You see we're in game. And yeah, back to Beast Simulator. You see, I've kind of upgraded from my thing. Now I have the rake and other stuff. I even have, yeah, I have 2 of like these. 2 like event beasts. Also one thing. So we're gonna be grinding on Beast Simulator again. I haven't done this in months actually. I just uploaded it because I liked it until like Pet Simulator X came back, but now it's kind of boring. So this might be a bit like 20 minutes, but you will see cool stuff. Also hit that like and subscribe button, or you will not get gummy bee. Okay, I mean the beesmas has struck a long time ago, and some stuff, yeah. Look at this wee here. Get up, get up, get up. Let's get up. There you go. As you can see, I have the boneyard bee. You're wondering how I got him? I have did this. Yeah, you saw that. Is I spent a bit of Robux on this guy, cause can wait. Like once it was like I paid to win, like I did on Pet Simulator X. Also, I'm doing like some of the black bear quests. I'm also doing a bit of bee bears. I think it's kind of getting hard because like I have to collect a ton of snowflakes. I think I kind of want to. I might save up for a festive thing here. Help me out, Mondo. Mondo chick spawn. Did Mondo chick spawn even? Did Mondo actually spawn? I'm just literally doing like. Okay, so I'm gonna pause until we finish it. Okie dokie. A snowstorm has struck, so let's just collect the snowflakes, as many as we can. No, I missed the balloon! Is there any snowflakes even coming here? Snowflake. Where's all those snowflakes? They're not even spawning in clover. Okay, they're spawning quickly now. Let me get them. No, there's no silver. Ag. There's more snowflakes here. Don't mind if I do take some for my quest. I need to collect a ton more. Then I have to go on his knife quest. And then he or she's knife quest. And it will probably be way more harder than that. I think I might not be able to finish Bee Bear and get the Cub Buddy. Some people did. Like I saw that on YouTube. It'll take forever for me. Because like I'm not even pro yet. Probably until 2024. Okay. And some people are killing Mondo, so I'm just gonna come in and help them. Because I do not want to miss out Mondo. Whoa, what? This vicious bee! Yeah, get over here! This is the second vicious bee that spawned in this server! We got vicious bee here! We got the vicious boy! We got the vicious boy here, and he's gonna kill us all! Run for your lives! We got Mondo and vicious bee, the biggest combo! We got the biggest combo! Okay, yeah, we cannot hide. Mondo and Vicious. Mondo and Vicious. We got Mondo, Chicken, Vicious me. What the hell has happened? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna say yee. Oh! I said sick! No, yee! I meant yee! God, die, Mondo, idiot! Die, you stupid idiot! Because we need to kill this stupid guy. Oh no! Who dies? Nice. Where is that mythic egg? There's a mythic egg. There's a 1% chance of spawning. And I need that mythic egg. This bitterberry. There's so many honey on the ground that the stingers are coming up. Ah! Really dead. At least I got a Mondo blessing. People aren't dying because of Mondo. People were destroying Mondo and he died. Okay, looks like Vicious Bee is gonna die soon. I think I'm gonna get 3 stingers. Then I'll have like 7 more of them. And I might spend my honey on tickets, but I really want to save up for the other stuff. Yep, you know what time it is? Time to avoid the red spots. Cause look at my health. I'm not dying. Yeah, this guy's on the same health as me. And Vicious Bee is really hard to kill now because he's a... Okay, it actually, the level is on the area. That was hard, actually. That's actually harder. We need to move quick. Nah, get me up to mountaintop. Why on the stinger? The worst place to spawn when Vicious Bee's here. The stinger. The stinger is the worst place to spawn on. Die! Just die already! Just die already! I guess this guy is Bear Bee. I mean, Bee Bear. What is it even called again? Bee Bear? Bear Bee. There's so many stingers out of here. Ah! I'm lagging because of them. Just die. You're gonna give me so much lag. I need to grind in the clover. And you are not making that happen. Bro, momento, just die already. Just die. Bee is dead. Yay, 3 stingers and some honey. Now we have 8 of them. So let's see how many tickets I have. 14. Once I get 10, I'll be able to need to get 14 more. And also, let's just waste our jellies and see what we get. Hope we don't get anything stupid from this rascal bee. I think I'll keep that. Oh, should I keep that? No, I'm not. I do not need these. No, 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 no. Why? Why do I have to get this looker idiot? Let's get one No, let's not go for that. Let's give him 10 bitter berries and see what mutation he gets. No mutation. Okay, whatever. Quickly, it's been 8 minutes. So we're gonna. It's kind of boring right here right now, but you're seeing me have a ton of stuff right here. Just look at my honey I've made in total, 260. I made the ace badge, but I almost got enough. Okie dokie, let's just wait. There's a quest for a bit. And oh my god, it just goes inside. I'll take a picture of this. Look. As you see here, I'll show you the picture after the video. So I'll get out the app and then and stuff. You see, I have the better cards now. Just give me honey and now let me do this quest. I need to finish this quest up. Like, the only easy quest, like, once you're doing these quests, like, the only easy quest in beesmas for him is the goddamn honey wreck. It's just, like, so much hard. This is, like, so hard. And why are my sprinklers? Okay, we're gonna sell for a high slot because we have, like, 29 bees in total. Last time you saw me have, I think, 25 or 26 or 27. Goodbye, Carbon Derby. Looking forever. What in the chances an epic sprout spawns and a honey storm? Let's find that epic sprout. This guy, why the hell does he have a gift to you? Like when you join like the game, you get a free star job. Oh no, the honey storm is making my game lag. Uh-oh. The epic sprouts here. But we'll do it later. Because the video's gonna end now. Nothing else to do, but it's boring and beesmas later. So goodbye. And I'll see ya.